Your tool is your workhorse. It's your livelihood, and Festool are here to ensure your tool keeps running. We offer servicing and repairs for your Festool tool beyond the warranty all-inclusive period. At the Festool UK Service Centre, we have specialist machines and technology specifically designed for Festool products. So your tools are catered for with the right equipment. And it's not just specialist equipment that makes it the best place to send your Festool tool. It'll be in the hands of our Festool experts, a team with extensive and exclusive knowledge of our products. And with a customer service team based in the UK, Festool are here for you.